Hi guys, so as you can see, I got some devices. So let's open this. Alright, let's open this son of a gun up. I bought this from my buddy Gavin. You guys may know him. So this is going to take me about an hour to unpackage because, yeah. That's one. That should be two. Yeah, that's two. There could be more in here. Nope. Alright. There's this one open. Oh, I see it. It's my i3. Now, that's not only. You get this one, which should be a 2100. Layer by layer. Yep, that's my detector. Here she is. This is a 2100. So, now I'm going to wire these up and see if these even work. Alright guys, so I got this thing all good, so let me find a item I can use to press down on my test thing, which is right here. And then you turn it back on. Bang. It works. Now let's go over to the i3. Alright. So now I have this base wired up. And I have my i3. So it just blink any second now. Come on. Blink, motherfucker. Hold on. Alright, so I got this thing. So now when we press this for a little bit, it should go off. Come on. Like that. So, they both work. So, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Any comments, questions, please leave those in the comment section down below. Make sure to like, comment, rate, share, subscribe. Alright guys, bye.